Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, and it is football Saturday, college football Saturday, and our team plays tonight at 7:30. So I am doing a couple of things for tailgate. And this doesn't have to be just for tailgate. You can do this for lunch or dinner or whatever. Simple, easy, garlic mini cheeseburgers. I'm doing kind of a takeoff on that. I have that recipe in Mama's Always Right cookbook. If you want that, you can get that online, but I'm just going to kind of roll with it. So I'm going to tilt this down. Hey everybody, I hope y'all are doing well today. It's college football day, right? I know. So we're going to be pulling for our Wake Forest Demon Deacons later on this evening. So I wanted to show y'all what I was doing. I am going to just take a 12-pack of the Hawaiian rolls. Love these, love these. This is definitely not a WW friendly recipe. We're tailgating. There's very few that we do that are, to be honest with you. But we eat good, I'm just saying. Anyway, hey Sue, I know there's a lot of people that pop on here that are like, telling who their team is and roll tide and, go this one and that one. A lot of people love college football. It's just a fact. Anyway, I'm going to slice these right down the middle. And I have to keep these a little bit on the plain side as far as adding too much to it, because the imaginary farmer is going, and he is not a big condiment person. So I'll keep these kind of plain and let people add condiments as they want to. So I have patted up 2 pounds of BFR ground hamburger. It's $85.15. A lot of people ask me that. And I just made I put in 2 cloves of garlic. It's 2 cloves of garlic. I put over half of it in the burgers. I put some salt, some pepper, and a tablespoon of dried minced onions. So I baked that on 400 for about 20 minutes on a rack. I'm going to take those off and put those on my Hawaiian rolls to make us some sliders. And today our menu, we got a pretty big group, so our menu's going to be brats on the grill. Mike's going to be doing those, and Howard, and hot dogs, and Nancy's mac and cheese. I think Beverly's doing baked beans. We're going to, of course, have chips and dip and no talent. And it's Carter Baby's birthday, so we'll have cupcakes for Carter Baby's birthday. So anyway, we always have plenty, although I always fret over, will we have enough? Just the way it is. Anyway, to these sliders, I'm going to add, and I share these things with y'all because I have a lot of people that tell me, thanks for sharing that. It kind of jogged my memory of something that I would want to do. So you don't have to do it the exact same way. You can make it your own. I'm going to put some bacon bits over the top of this. I didn't have any bacon, like regular bacon, so I'm just going to make do and put a little bit of bacon bits on here. And I'm going to use some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. So it's going to be kind of a bacon barbecue burger. And I'm not going to drench it, just a shake, a little squeeze. And then I'll take this to the tailgate and people can add more to it if they like. Now I'm going to use Colby Jack cheese on these, if I can get these suckers open. Hey Lisa, finally cool weather. I know, BJ, it's cooler here today too. Now I think it's going to be the high of 83 today, but it's going to be cooler as the day, goes on. Definitely much better fall weather for football than, the 90s, for sure. And probably the football players feel the same way. I feel sure about that. All right, I'm going to top this with Colby Jack. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can use cheddar, you can use Swiss, whatever. And look, I'm going to go ahead and double this up and use all of this. Just because now that it's just me and the imaginary farmer most times, stuff like that tends to go bad in my refrigerator, so I'm going to use it all. I'm going to put all the calories I can on here. Okay, I'm going to cover this with the top. kind of push that down. Now I melted 4 tablespoons of butter, and the rest of that minced garlic right here was probably about a 1/4 of a teaspoon of minced garlic, fresh minced garlic. I'm just going to pour that over the top of these. And I'm going to stick these into a 350-degree oven, covered for about 5-10 minutes. And then I may uncover them and just let them brown a little bit on the top, and then they'll be good to go for the tailgate. So that's what I'm doing for the tailgate today. Easy, mini garlic cheeseburger. Add whatever you like. Add your condiments, whatever. I think onions would be great on here, but you know, the imaginary farmer's not an onion eater, so I don't put those on. Looks delicious. Thanks. Go see everybody's weighing in on their team. I know, Teresa, it makes me hungry too just to smell it. Anyway, give it a try. Game day. Have a great one. Go Deeks. And we'll see y'all later. Thanks for following.